Slitting a fiber optic cable sounds like it should be straightforward, until your blade goes too deep, nicks the buffer tube, and the fiber inside is done. That's the problem this tool was designed to solve. Hey, if you're a fiber installer working with small diameter cables and buffer tubes, the CSP-1833K cable slitting pliers kit from Jonard Tools is worth a close look. First thing worth knowing, this kit comes with 2 interchangeable blade cartridges covering 5 cable sizes. 1.8 and 2.2 millimeter on one, and 2.5, 3, and 3.3 millimeter on the other. Set screws on the blade block make swapping fast, so you're not losing time on the job when you need a different size. The blades are fixed, and that's by design. No depth adjustment, no guesswork. The blade is already set to open the jacket cleanly without touching the fiber. You just slit and move on. Guide blocks hold the cable in position while you cut, which is what makes the whole thing work. You get an accurate, consistent slit every time instead of fighting the cable to keep it on track. The handles are spring-loaded and ergonomically designed. It might sound like the kind of thing you'd hear in an ad, but after hours of repetitive work, it's one of those features you end up appreciating more than you'd expect. All right, 2 cartridges, 5 cable sizes, fixed blades, guide blocks, and handles built for real field use. The CSP-1833K definitely worth having. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.